For 4,500 years, we've been told the same story. Tens of thousands of slaves dragging massive stones under the desert sun across impossible ramps. But what if I told you that entire story is a myth? New evidence from 2024 and 2025 is rewriting history. We found hidden corridors, ancient logbooks, and a theory that suggests the Great Pyramid wasn't just a tomb, it was a self-assembling machine. The Great Pyramid consists of 2.3 million stone blocks. Some weigh 80 tons. To finish this, in 20 years, the Egyptians had to place one block every 3 minutes, 24 hours a day. With copper tools and wooden rollers, mathematically, it's impossible. In 2013, a discovery at Wadi al-Jarf changed everything. Archaeologists found the Diary of Merer, the only first-hand account of the pyramid's construction ever found. Merer wasn't a slave, he was an elite inspector. His logs describe a high-tech logistics network. They didn't just drag stones, they warped the landscape. They built massive artificial harbors and used the Nile's annual flood to float stones directly to the foot of the pyramid. But how did they get the stones up? A groundbreaking 2024 study by the Paleotechnic Institute suggests the Egyptians used hydraulics. They've identified a dry moat and a massive structure called Gisr el-Mudir that acted as a dam. Imagine a giant elevator. Water pressure from these dams was channeled into a central shaft inside the pyramid. By using a float system, they could erupt the stones upward like a volcano. This explains the mysterious big void recently confirmed by the ScanPyramids project, a massive internal space that served no burial purpose, but functioned perfectly as a hydraulic chamber. Other scientists, like Simon Andreas Scheuring, now propose the pyramid was a machine that built itself. He points to internal pulley systems and counterweights hidden in the Grand Gallery. By using the pyramid's own internal slopes, they used the weight of one stone to pull another up. It wasn't brute force, it was sophisticated physics. The air shafts we've puzzled over for centuries, they weren't for air or stars, they were likely guide rails for ropes and pulleys. The true story isn't about aliens or magic, it's about a civilization that mastered the Nile, understood fluid dynamics, and built a structure so advanced we are only now starting to understand its blueprints. They didn't just build a monument, they engineered an impossibility. If you want to see the new 3D scans of the hidden chambers, check the link in the description. What do you think? Was it water or pulleys? Let's debate in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for the next deep dive into the ancient world.